This is actually the chicken. Hello guys, happy Easter because it's actually Easter Sunday. And yeah, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome to the channel. So it's actually Easter morning, yeah, here in the Philippines. And I just want to show you guys what our day actually looks like. Okay, Hobby has actually gone out. He went to like go get some things that we are going to use to cook. Not we, him. That he's going to use to cook because I have a lot of schedule today. I'm really working, so we are running sales, so I really need to like take care of that aspect. So Hobby made shawarma yesterday. I slept off. He was calling me to come and eat, but I couldn't because I was really feeling sleepy. Yesterday we started sales, okay, and I've been so busy, okay, of late. So yeah, today I think he has brought out the chicken and beef and every other thing from the freezer. So he went out to go and get some things in the market. Okay, so yeah, I just want to take you guys along today. This is actually currently, I don't know, but it's still morning here. So I just want to show you guys what my morning actually looks like today. Okay, so I've not actually done anything like most things. I've not actually done anything, but I'm really sweating because I did some stretching. Okay, not like exercise, just stretching, because my bones are, I don't know, like I've said this thing like sometime around in my video, one of my video, that my bones are usually weak, like because I'm not exercising, I'm not stretching, like I'm always inside. Okay, I'm always inside, I'm always sitting down on the bed, I'm always lying down on the bed, because my business is not something I will just go out and come back. It's something that I can do anywhere. Okay, something I can do anywhere, whether I'm lying down, I'm sitting down, I'm in the party, anywhere I want to do my business, I'm going to do. So anyway, like I said, just stretching, but I'm thinking maybe I should just do a bit more of, you know, exercise, something that is going to like make my bones very strong. Okay, so that is just it. Oh gosh, see my room. I've not actually done some kind of things in this room. Okay, but hopefully, so my room is not that dirty though, but the other room where we actually, this is my female room, don't get me wrong, the other room where I and Hobby actually sleeps, that place is a bit messed up, like it's a bit messy. So I'll go arrange this particular place is not actually messy. Like I've arranged this place because I usually do videos here, so I always keep this place neat. Okay, so let's just go. Okay, so here's the meat. This is actually the chicken and beef and some other things that he actually brought out from the freezer. So it's actually defrozen though. It's defrozen already. That's defrozen. So let's just wait for him to come back. So here's what the shawarma looks like. Yummy. This is it. Shawarma looks like. He really tried. He's already taking a bite from my own.